Cryptocurrencies are used for electronic payment transactions. Crypto payments are implemented in decentralized computer networks connected via the internet. There are no banks involved in the transactions and no paper notes. This entails many advantages and disadvantages of cryptocurrencies. Let's take a look at them. Higher security and privacy. Crypto transactions are characterized by privacy not attainable for money payments, since transactions are not carried out in central bank-controlled banking systems, but are implemented in decentralized networks. They are virtually anonymous. Easy transactions. Crypto transactions can be made easily. Anyone can send and receive a variety of cryptocurrencies by using a simple smartphone app, hardware wallet, or exchange wallet. And a bank account isn't always required to use crypto. Some types of cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin, can be bought with cash at a Bitcoin ATM. They can then send those coins to their phone, hardware wallet, or exchange wallet. 24/7 transactions. Crypto payment transactions can be carried out at any time. Operation of exchanges like New York Stock Exchange or London Stock Exchange is not needed to execute the transactions. It is the reflection of the fact that crypto transactions are being directly executed between counterparties in computer networks connected via the internet. Fast settlement and low fees. Crypto payment transactions cost much less than making payments in conventional currency via banking systems. They are also settled in much shorter time periods than payment transactions via banking systems. Inflation hedge. Bitcoin has a limited supply. There will only ever be 21 million Bitcoins in existence. Cryptocurrencies with a limited supply cap like Bitcoin, Litecoin, and others are considered to be good hedges against inflation. Scalability challenges. There's no massive infrastructure yet in place that could enable crypto payments on the scale of modern payment systems that operators like Visa, MasterCard, and others provide. The same is true for the speed of a transaction. Crypto technologies have to evolve so that they can be massively scaled as crypto adoption increases rapidly. Cybersecurity issues. A major security feature for digital wallets is the usage of a public key and a private key, like a password or a PIN. However, crypto networks allow users to remain relatively anonymous, and there is no central data bank. If a hacker steals from a wallet, there is little hope of recovering the assets. Little regulation. Cryptocurrencies are essentially not under supervision or control of governments and central banks. Technical complexity. It is not easy to understand the principles and operational processes of cryptocurrencies. The procedures for interacting with cryptocurrency networks can be complex to many people. As a result, users may send a transaction to an incorrect address, overpay, or not pay enough on transaction fees, called gas, and so lose the fee and transaction. In conclusion, for pros and cons of cryptocurrency, I'd like to say that cryptocurrencies have grown rapidly since their invention, driven by the need for greater privacy and security. Digital asset trading offers higher profit opportunities due to their higher price volatility, and at the same time, higher volatility comes with risk of higher losses. Never forget that.